Hello, my name is Russ Merrick, and I'd like to welcome you to the manufacturing facility of Merrick Machine Company located here in Allen, Nebraska. Today we have for you on our stair clamp product line, in addition to the Stair Boss and the wedge cutter that we have, the rail, the handrail boring machine, there's various other machines we have for the stair industry. This is a stair clamp machine. Real simple, real easy machine. You're actually going to take your stringers that are actually cut off, say for instance our Stair Boss. You're going to lay them in here, lay in your rise and your run, screw them in from the sides, nail them, staple them, whatever your case may be. And this table is actually going to come in, clamp that up, so you can go ahead and do that entire operation as far as screwing and nailing as you go down each one of the treads and the rise and the run. When you're all said and done, you can go ahead and unclamp. We have several things going on for you. You've got a series of stops here. These pins actually lift in and out in case you want to bring the stair box assembly out here to your right hand side or to the left hand side, depending on which way you want to exit. We also make a we call it an XPL 1000 just for stairs. They'll actually come in and grab hold of this thing, lift it off the stair clamp, and it's a scissor type apparatus that you can lift it up if you have a crane in your building, so you can actually take it and run it down line and get it off this table, as opposed to guys just actually picking up the stair box itself. I'm going to show you here real quick. You can actually roll this thing in and out. Rolls real simple. You've got one main control. It's running a rack and pinion drive system in the center. Why do you need a rack and pinion? You want it to be consistent, last a heck of a long time. That's the value for you, the customer. We've also got a scale on this end, which is the operator side, right hand side of the screen. So if you want to set it at 39 inches, you're in the 39-inch range. You want to go all the way out, you want to go to 53 inches. That's our max opening for this application. You can set it on here. The scale is adjustable in case you want to run metric and change out the scale. You actually run this thing all the way down to just a little over 31 inches. You've got two lever clamps. So I'm going to open this up so you guys can hopefully see this, guys and gals. You've got a clamp button, okay, and you've got a adjust and lock button. What's the adjust and lock button do for you? What we're actually doing is we're locking down the main drive shaft inside the machine. That's what this is doing. If I unlock it, I can move it. If I do this again, once it's locked, stays in position, then I have another MAC valve on this side. I have clamp and I have unclamp. So if I raise this up, it clamps it in. You can actually see this is actually coming in and squeezing your stair box assembly unit as you're trying to assemble it just prior to. So once again, if you want to change stair size, you're gonna unclamp, okay? You're gonna hit your adjust, set your size that you need, okay? You're gonna go ahead and lock it in place. Then you're ready to go ahead and clamp and unclamp your staircase assembly. Real simple, real easy. You've got a wood top on here so you can drag things across of it. Hopefully you don't scuff up the material on the set of box stairs that you're making. Real simple, easy construction. You've actually got some pads in here that actually give a lot depending on the material. A lot of your box stairs are going to wander just a little bit because not everything's true. It's an organic product. So these will flex and give a little bit as you actually come in and clamp. They'll squeeze a little bit. And that's on every one. You'll have it on this side that I'm on and also the opposite side. Real simple, real easy machine. If you have any questions about our stair product line, look at the Stair Boss, which is our latest and greatest high-speed stair routing equipment that we have. It's 3 times, in some cases actually 4 times faster than anything else on the market. If you have a shop and you're building stairs, you need at least 2 of these. I'm serious, you need 2. Okay? 2 guys can be running a special. You can run your standard stuff down line. Get yourself another staging area just beyond this. Once again, this is the stair clamp assembly machine. If you got any questions, please call the factory at 1-800-568-7423 or go look us up online at triadmachines.com. Once again, my name is Russ and I'd like to thank you for your time.